Sorry for the wind. We are out in the desert. I can't do a lot about it, but I'll try to speak up so it doesn't turn out crappy like that one video I did. The reason we're shooting my girlfriend's Honda is because this is one of those days where having a freon sniffer is worth its weight in gold. Her car is going on a very, very long trip in a couple of days, and last night the air conditioning died. It died. So here's what I did in the order that I did it. The first thing you check is the pressure switch. You see that switch down there? The pressure switch, if it opens, will tell you that there's no freon in the system. Well, it's open. So the freon didn't go to zero, but it went really low. So last summer, a year ago, this joint right here at the end of this pipe, the O-ring went bad. I found that, I sniffed it, found it, fixed it, recharged it, and the thing's been perfect. Now, I re-sniffed the whole car and I couldn't find it. I couldn't find the leak. So I took this panel off right here and I started sniffing. Let's see, we'll do... I don't know if you guys can see in there. Oops. Let me turn the sound on. I turned the sound off because it's annoying as living hell. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna drop, hear that? Okay, here we go. Yeah. See that? That means it's a nasty leak. Okay, so let me show you where I found it. Well, I don't know if I can do two things at once, but I'm gonna try. Okay, you see at the end of my finger right there, you see that big freaking dent right there? That's the leak. Some rock came flying in the grill, hit that, and wrecked it. It's like a $330 part, and this car has to go on a long trip very soon. So, at least I found the leak, so the troubleshooting costs just went to zero, because, you know, I'm getting a free breakfast out of the deal. Anyway, I'm really bummed that something happened, because this is just bad timing, but I was happy that my work held up. That made me pretty happy. And that's one of the reasons you buy a sniffer, because dye and all that other stuff is bullshit. Dye would have found this leak because it's a huge leak, but this small one here, the dye would have never found it. It would have never found it. So anyway, I always highly recommend the right tool for the job, and a sniffer is the right tool for the job, and this one is definitely it. Robinair now owns them, but you can buy the ZX, and it's very sensitive. Treat it like a delicate instrument, because it is. Their warranty is a little funny. In fact, I basically call their warranty kind of a scam. But when they run, boy, they are super crazy sensitive. I've only been stumped one time in all the years I've owned one of these. I've owned a couple of these. I couldn't find a leak on this lady's truck because I couldn't get to the front of her condenser. I just couldn't access it. So that's probably where the leak was. And that's the only vehicle in my life I haven't been able to find a leak for. A freon leak. So anyway, that's what's wrong with this car. It's going down to the shop today, and tomorrow morning they'll have a condenser, and then hopefully get it all done tomorrow. It's a very, very tight timeline. Alright, I just wanted to show you guys that, the value of having a sniffer. We found the bad news, which is half the battle. Now we just got to go get it fixed. See you, bye.